exhilaration has always run in the Mazda 3 family. And the 2018 Mazda 3 continues this legacy. The Mazda 3's already excellent performance and handling amplify the exhilaration with a precisely tuned 4-wheel independent suspension system and your choice of manual or automatic transmission powered by spirited 2.0-liter or 2.5-liter Skyactiv registered G gasoline engines, with the 2.5-liter offering 184 horsepower and 185 pounds-to-foot of torque. Every detail of the interior was designed to make driving better. From the instrument panel to the gear selector, everything was placed with intention and care to make your every move more intuitive. Why? To let you focus on what matters most, driving. Skyactiv technology is a holistic system that takes the entire car into consideration, delivering a series of innovations that work together to improve the overall driving experience. Power and performance are delivered in abundance, along with efficiencies that allow the Mazda 32 to offer up to an astounding EPA estimated 37 highway mpg.